The crypto mania bubble has crashed. And so have you any of your funds held onto Nicehash, which has been frozen now. Look, withdrawals disabled. What that means? It means they've grabbed all your funds, you can't move them out. I did an earlier video warning that they're going to do a grab. In fact, I've been saying for a couple of months, do not keep your money on Nicehash. Withdraw as soon as you can to Coinbase for a couple of months. Never keep a large balance. And first what they did was suspend withdrawals to Coinbase. And next, within a couple of days, they've 3 days, something like that, they've stopped all withdrawals. This is what happens when you try and withdraw now. Withdraw. There. BTC withdrawals are currently disabled. Yeah, they've grabbed all your money. That's it. So what you should not do now, what you should is mine with Nicehash, which is what I've done. I've switched off. Yeah, look. This is the rig. I'm starting it up again. I've stopped mining with Nicehash. There's no point. You're just giving them free money. Stop mining with Nicehash now, because they've frozen your funds and they're giving you a lot of garbage about we the security. Yeah, just grabbed it. I knew you were gonna do this. I knew they would eventually do this. Grab people's funds. This is why I've been saying, do not keep your money on Nicehash. As soon as you get to a level, transfer Coinbase. It was free. And then they blocked Coinbase a few days ago. And then I thought, alright, okay, I can still transfer the Coinbase wallet, but it's going to incur a fee. So I'll just let the balance get up to about £100 to reduce the fee. And then transfer out. But now they've stopped all that. There's no point. You just stop mining with Nicehash. So let me stop. Yeah, stop mining with Nicehash. Do not mine with Nicehash. Look what they've done. And all the cryptos, they've crashed, they've collapsed. The bubble has finally burst. As I've been warning of in every video that the crypto mania bubble will burst. It's happened. Look, you can go to the exchanges. Where are they? Markets. There we go. Look, 24-hour Bitcoin in US dollar, 25% down. Ethereum, 20% down. All of them are 20 to 50% down, 40% here. Ethereum is down 40%. That's more than Bitcoin. Well, it would be the most valuable currency will fall least, and the least value will fall the most. So there we got all the cryptos. Ravencoin 50% down. All those people buying Ravencoin at 0.3, well, you got 0.2 now to the Bitcoin. What's it in pounds? 7 pence. This was 13 pence the other day. See, the crypto bubble has burst. Finally burst, and the exchanges are freezing. The crypto bubble has finally burst, and the exchanges are freezing people's balances on account. Obviously, nice. The likes of Coinbase are more robust than the likes of Nicehash, but you should stop mining now in Nicehash. Anything that comes up with the risk of this, you should stop mining. There's Ether mine. I think that's still working. So you could switch to that, but obviously the bubble has burst. All those idiots, yeah, HODLing. Are you crazy? You could have sold, you know. Let's look at market. You could have exited all of your HODLed funds for a huge profit, easily at $55,000 or more. But instead, look, you had 3-4 months to sell at over $55,000. Instead, like idiots who, like novices, newbies to investing, you don't have a clue what you're doing. You got this HODLE phrase in your head, and now you've lost most of your profit, or at least half. Well, $55,000 is now $33,000. It spiked down to 30 and it's gonna go lower. Could easily go down to 22. That's less than half, and eventually maybe settle around 19. There you go. That's the price of being a stupid dumbass that doesn't have a clue what you're doing. HODLing. I sold all of my Bitcoin that I've been mining only up to this point, probably since the 8th of May. Yeah, only balance left on account is probably since I've generated since the 8th. Well, probably even later. Yeah, around the 8th, 9th of May. 10 days. The only balance I've got is what I've got over the last, generated over the last 10 days. Everything else since here is all being spent. Transferred to Coinbase and spent. So I'm only down maybe £100, which is not much. I've got some money on Coinbase, not much, maybe I think about £25, and I had about £80 on Nicehash. So unlike the hodlers who've got, I don't know, thousands of dollars they've lost, I've lost nothing. So I'm not stupid, I'm experienced. I did warn you all, did I not? Yeah, inactive, because I'm not going to be bloody mining for someone who's suspended withdrawals. And as soon as I get the opportunity, I'm going to move these out and spend it as well. What I could do is buy some coins on using their exchange. Yeah, because, well, there's nothing else I could do with the funds. So I could start, you know, like buying some coins that have fell the heaviest. Something like, well, Raven coin was ZEC. Could buy some ZEC. Litecoin. Not yet, but soon. So I've got this balance. Because look, if Bitcoin is fallen 20% and they're fallen by 40%, then they'll be cheaper in Bitcoin by 20%. Isn't it? So look, they're fallen harder than Bitcoins. That means your Bitcoin will be able to buy more coins. So that's something to do with the balance on Nicehash. Not yet though, they're going to fall further. Yeah, you could buy some, at least do something with the balance. 40% Raven coin. 5p with 13p. Doge coin 21p, that's down 36%. Doge to the moon. Yeah, Doge to the black hole, more like it, not to the moon. It's gone, all these cryptos have gone into a black hole now, disappearing down a black hole. Crypto mania, forget Dogecoin. Today I'm going to be mining budgie coin. What you need is a budgie. Just need one budgie to start crypto mining with budgie coin. Ooh, that's an angry bird. Eh? You're angry today, Mr. Green. So this is how you mine budgie coin. Get rich, get Dogecoin. Right, we need to grab that bougie. Yeah, it's a bougie coin, not bougie coin. Bougie. Come here, bougie. I need you. Hey, what are you trying to bite me for? We need a bougie to my bougie coin. There you go. Got a couple of bougies. Which one's more profitable? Green bougie or the blue bougie. Not sure at the moment. I have to check the exchange rate. Definitely the green bougie is more noisy, more aggressive. It's more aggressive to mine with the green bougie. Okay, so let's start mining with the blue bougie, the bougie coin, the blue bougie coin. Once you get one bougie, the others won't come. All these cryptos have gone into a black hole now, disappearing down a black hole. Ripple and Bitcoin's up. Ripple and US dollars down 30%. That's a bit weird. How come that's down 30%? And that's up for, oh, it's down 14%. This graph is wrong, isn't it? It's down 14% in Bitcoin and 30% dollar. See? All you hodling fools. You don't have a clue what you're doing. Listen to me. You should have listened to me when I told you. Do not go watch the videos. Do not keep your money on Nicehash. I repeatedly warned. Transfer to Coinbase. Do not keep your money, your bitcoins in Coinbase. Transfer to fiat or spend it buying a service in Bitcoin. Do not keep it in cryptos. I've repeatedly warned that it's a bubble mania that's going to crash. It could be at any time. I thought maybe we'll get lucky and it'll continue till July when EIP, was it 1559, something like that kicks in. But it could happen any time. You were risking it by keeping your balance. All these novices hodling away are now crying when they see their balances wiped out. Yeah. A lesson to fools. Listen to people who have been doing it for a long time. I've been trading markets, investing for over 35 years. I knew what was coming. I flagged it months ago. And I've shown you what to do. If you didn't listen, you got only yourselves to blame. And now Nicehash has done what I knew they would do. I even said it in a video 2 months ago. They could freeze your funds. They could grab your funds. Come out with some garbage about it. I even said, this is how they will grab your funds. They say we've been hacked and unfortunately your money is temporarily or permanently gone. And that is exactly what they've done. This is garbage. This is a load of garbage. They've grabbed your funds. There's no hack. It's a load of garbage. I knew they would do this. This is how they function. You can't trust them. So stop mining if you're mining. There's no point. They've grabbed your funds. And it's uncertain whether you'll get it again. The crypto bubble has finally burst. You were warned. If you didn't listen, you've only got yourselves to blame. Latest in-depth analysis that concludes in buying levels for AI tech stocks, buying levels and ratings, valuations and trend analysis into the market correction that was first made available to patrons who support my work. Extensive work including a look at Tesla, the Cathy Wood ARK funds crash that I've been warning against investing in due to the high risk nature of a portfolio. And then there's a whole litany of stock analysis, individual stocks covered in my portfolio from Google at the top right down to Intel and number 12, with the buying levels for all of the stocks updated of where you can achieve discounts on the current price, probable discounts, and where stocks could trade down to during the correction, as well as updating on the current state of the GPU mining free money courtesy of the Ethereum mania. And a quick look at Chia if you want to crypto mine on your hard drives. This is crypto mania is getting insane. Anyway, all of this was first made available to patrons who support my work. So for immediate first access to all of my analysis and trend forecasts, then do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month. And my analysis of scheduled analysis includes more high risk tech stocks that should be coming in about a week's time. Basically condensing down roughly 300 stocks I've been looking at over the past couple of months into a dozen that I would personally invest in for the long run, and a Bitcoin trend forecast update, a look at UK house prices, and a piece that I've been working on for quite a while on how to get rich that is approximately 70% complete. Then further schedule is on the US dollar and British pound and gold and silver, which I've still to begin. So do consider becoming a patron by supporting my work for just $3 per month, and do remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel as we defend ourselves, protect ourselves from the rampant money printing inflation by the central banks. Insane money printing as though it's not going to feed through into wage and price inflation. Big inflation is coming, as I've been flagging for over 6 months, more like a year now. That's why I was saying last year, if you're thinking of buying big ticket items, do it now before the price hikes, which have transpired. You know, I bought a Culture K7 for £340. Current price on Amazon is, was it $565, and similar for lots of other tech items I bought. For instance, the components in my PC that I ordered in January and got delivered in March was £3,100. Current price of the components is over £4,000. Crazy, the inflation is here, and it is accelerating regardless of what the indices say. So protect yourselves by investing in assets that are leveraged to inflation, and AI tech stocks are leveraged to inflation and are about to get discounted. So do subscribe to my YouTube channel for such analysis, and do consider becoming a patron.